The Frankie Shop is marketed as a fashion boutique known for its minimalist, contemporary clothing and timeless wardrobe staples. Its collections have gained attention for clean designs and premium styling, but the real question is, can you trust this boutique store? Now, to be fair, the Frankie Shop is an established fashion retailer with physical locations and an international online presence, making it very different from many unknown online boutiques. What it does well: modern, minimalist designs. The brand is known for clean silhouettes and versatile pieces that fit a wide range of styles. High-quality materials. Many customers praise the fabrics and construction compared to typical fast fashion retailers, where the hype falls apart. Premium pricing. Many items are significantly more expensive than similar-looking alternatives from other brands. Sizing can be oversized. Several pieces are intentionally designed with a relaxed fit, so checking the size guide is important. Returns may involve extra costs. Depending on your location, return shipping fees and processing times may vary. So, should you buy from the Frankie Shop? Short answer, yes, if you like the style and understand what you're paying for. If you're looking for minimalist fashion and are comfortable with the premium pricing, it can be a worthwhile purchase. But don't assume every item offers exceptional value simply because of the brand's reputation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.